Thought I'd take a couple minutes to give you a quick little rundown of how I want you to submit your 6/8 rhythm for Monday. In Noteflight, we'll start by creating a new score. By default, it's going to create an example in 4/4, and once that loads up, we will need to change that time signature to 6/8. So once that is open, highlight the time signature on the left hand side and change that to our favorite 6/8. Click OK. Once that's done, you have the grand staff here, bass clef, treble clef. We want to change that to a rhythm clef so we don't have to worry about pitches or any of that stuff. We just want to see rhythm. So scroll over to the staff tab, click that, and change instrument. Scroll down here to unpitched percussion, choose rhythm, and OK, and voila. Lines are gone, and we just have rhythm in front of us. We still do have two staffs, we only want one, so highlight the rest on the bottom staff. Again, go to the staff tab, down to remove staff, and voila. Again, at that point, you have one staff to work from. So let's go ahead and save that. Then go ahead and give it a name. And add the composer, your name, so we know who did the work. Maybe just for safety's sake, save it again. From that point, add in your rhythm. So highlight the rest that is there, and the easiest way, just type the letter A. It'll give you your notes, your rhythm, and that's it. To change the rhythm, the length of the rhythm, click one of the boxes here, or as you see, if I hover over one of the rhythms, it says shorter, type the left bracket, longer, the right bracket. So shorter, longer. And again, do that with all your rhythms. It's a little shortcut, hopefully makes it a little quicker, a little faster for you to get all the way through this. If you're feeling adventurous, you want to add in some ties and maybe some accents, feel free to do that. Ties right here, the little curved line. We'll connect the note heads. And if you want some accents, on the bottom left there, the sideways V, symbols, opens up the symbols tab. Click the first one there, they mark it as marcato, which is the fancy name for an accent. Click on that, and the note that is highlighted in orange will become accented, and you have some extra shape going on in your rhythm there. So once you're done with that, again, click save as many times as you feel like it so you don't forget anything. And that is that. Once you are done with your rhythm, you've composed all 8 measures. We want to share it with the rest of the class so we can all see what each other did. Click the sharing tab in the upper right hand here. Choose everyone and scroll down to the sharing little net looking doohickey here that you see all over the web. Highlight that, click that. Highlight the link that's in there, copy and paste it into the form that I'll put on Rampages, and you're good to go. So one last thing I did create, oops, forgot to save. That's what happens. Stay on page, save. We'll go back, we'll come back to that. Alright, so I created a quick little example. I do want you to make sure that you include each of the rhythm ideas at least once in your example that we've covered in class. We have our dotted quarter note, our eighth notes, 1 lolly, 2 lolly, quarter note followed by an eighth note, the 1 li, and also the eighth note followed by a quarter note, the 1 la, 2 la. So make sure that's all in there and have some fun with it. Enjoy.